Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate using cocoa, easy method. Begin by measuring cocoa, fat, and sweetener precisely, then melt fat gently and whisk in cocoa until smooth. Add sweetener and any flavorings, then cool or temper depending on firmness desired. Pour into molds and chill until set, then unmold and store in a cool, dry place for best texture and flavor. Gather your ingredients and tools first so the process stays calm and enjoyable. Use a digital scale, heat-proof bowl, spatula, and molds for the cleanest workflow. Choose cocoa powder and a fat that match your desired mouthfeel, then plan sweetener amount and any add-ins. Preparing everything ahead means you can focus on gentle heating and smooth mixing, which are the real secrets to glossy, tasting chocolate at home. Control your heat and patience to get great results without fuss. Melt fat slowly and stir constantly as you incorporate cocoa to avoid lumps and graininess. Keep temperatures moderate and consider a simple temper or controlled cooling step to improve texture and shelf life. Small batches are forgiving and let you experiment with sweetness and add-ins until you find the balance that makes your homemade chocolate irresistible and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.